Hey health enthusiasts! Welcome to day 54 of our 60-day health transformation journey. Today we're talking about the importance of periodization in training programs. Periodization is a structured approach to training that involves cycling through different phases. This method helps optimize performance, prevent injuries, and avoid plateaus. The first phase is preparation. Here, you focus on building a solid fitness foundation with general conditioning and low-intensity workouts. Next is the build phase. Increase the intensity and volume of your workouts to improve strength and endurance. This phase typically includes more challenging and specific exercises. Then comes the peak phase. This is where you aim for maximum performance. Workouts are intense and specific to your goals, leading up to a major event or personal milestone. Finally, the recovery phase. Reduce the intensity and volume to allow your body to rest and heal. This phase is crucial for preventing burnout and overtraining. Incorporating periodization into your training program ensures a balanced approach that maximizes progress while minimizing the risk of injury. By cycling through these phases, you can continuously improve your fitness levels and reach your goals more effectively. Give periodization a try and experience the benefits for yourself. Thanks for joining me on day 54. Stay tuned for tomorrow's video where we'll explore the benefits of compound exercises. Stay structured and stay healthy.